The dragon flag was a staple in the legend Bruce Lee's training. It was also a featured exercise in one of the awesome training montages in Rocky IV. Now, this exercise trains total body tensioning. It will absolutely light up your lower abs, but the hardest part really is for the lats and the upper body, as you really have to hook yourself in and maintain positioning. And the soreness in the lats is kind of unreal the next day, so be ready for that. You can hook your arms over a bench. You can also hold on to a very sturdy or stable pole that is so rooted that your body weight will not affect it. It won't tilt or turn. Now, if you can't do the straight-legged version, you can go eccentric only by using bent knee on the way up and then go as low as you can on the way down, leg straight, and just kind of reset that positioning. Going with a wide straddle or V-shape will also make it easier because not as much weight is forward. You can also hold different ranges of motion of the movement and pump between the tucked and straight-legged position to kind of build isometric strength at multiple angles, starting higher and building to a lower angle. This really kind of helps set the tone for the exercise. And beyond that, you can also go one-legged straight, one-legged tucked, a way to kind of, again, unload, get more stability, but kind of start getting into that full range of the exercise as best you can. Beyond these basic progressions, you can do short lever, which is basically a reverse crunch. We've been training that in the Old School Labs program, so you can always go back to this. In fact, you'll find even more strength and stability because of how rooted you are with the overhead hook. Now, mobility-wise, this is a straight-legged option to help build mobility in both the hips and the lower back. Also, the hamstrings, go very slow with it. It's great in warm-ups. It's great in off-day active recovery drills as well. I also love to work in this second drill, which is just straight-legged hamstring and hip flexor mobility activation sequences, just to kind of get that range of motion. Again, it's easier to alternate from the top, harder to alternate from the bottom, so you can kind of regress that way. And then you can also do this kind of hang off, which really stretches the hip flexors on the down leg, and then you work on just kind of activating and increasing hip flexion on the top leg, even adding that leg pump to get into the hamstrings as well. So these will help a ton.